Hello, this is Lumos. This is their winter helmet lining. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up just to take a look here, show you guys what you get. So around your ears, it's got this nice padding. Very soft to the touch. Oh, that's actually pretty easy. So you just kind of grab right here, place it on like this. Make sure we got it on right. There we go. Just like that. Wow. So then you put your helmet directly over top. That's actually really nice. That's awesome because you can feel like this padding here protects your ears. So when the helmet's on, it's not like smashing your ears. So because this sticks out, if you guys can see this sticking out, because it sticks out like that, when the helmet is on, it actually protects your ears better. Very nice, guys. Nice accessories. They got tons of accessories. Take a look at all they got, guys.